morning, everyone. As you can see, my face is not to the camera, but what's it lighting? My face is not on the camera because I've just woken up and I probably look pretty disgusting. So, yeah, but I just woke up. That's my cat. But I don't think you can see her. Let's have a look at the weather. Oh, that's not. Oh, it's rainy. Great. Today, me, Ruben, Chloe, and Finley are going to hit the town and watch some DVDs around Ruben's house. You guys are gonna come along with me, okay? Just to let you know, guys. This is like the comfiest pillow in the entire world. So I'm just gonna go take a shower and I'll get ready. Okay, so I'm ready to go. I'm wearing some leggings, this navy blue top. I haven't painted my nails today, they're just saying I can't be able to change them. I just washed my hair, so it's quite silky. My pink bag from Debenhams, these fluffy socks that my best friend got me. I'm going to be wearing boots with these because, well, it's winter, so yeah. I just done my makeup, wearing a dark lipstick, an eyeliner as always. I don't think you can see that. I look really orange in this camera here, in this lighting, but I'm not that orange, don't you worry. And I'll see you there.
You guys don't know
a coffee.
Okay, we'll go get a coffee.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
You just film everything, don't you?
I do. I am like, well, I am a YouTuber. Very film.
Bus.
Oh, we can't cross it. Yes, we can cross it. I haven't said your bus.
Every single kind of tea in the universe.
Really?
What's your favourite?
I like lots of teas.
What are you doing?
Vlogging.
You vlog?
Yeah.
You Isabella?
It could be.
You're
In
vlogging in
secret.
McDonald's.
I am.
Classy.
Because we're so classy.
Uh-huh.
What did you have, Chloe?
I can't even, same as you.
What did I have?
Coffee latte.
It is really good.
Where are we going next? Where are we going next? Where are we going next?
Cash exchange.
Where are we going next?
PlayStation games.
We need to get the Lord of the Rings.
Yes.
Okay.
If they sell it cheap, I'll get it.
Okay. And then
at
at 4 we need to go and watch the Christmas lights. The Christmas lights are on tonight. Really? These guys can't even see them.
Well, there you go. I can then.
Yeah, me and you're going, because Lord of the Rings. Yeah. See you in a bit. Finley, but we don't know where he is because he's come back from his bass lesson. Oh, and we've got 2 new recruits, by the way.
Okay.
You.
Oh.
I'm talking to my phone.
Oh, I was originally in the group anyway.
I know, but no.
When we first came, like, here at the town, because it was literally just the 4 of us, and then it was turned into the 6 of us.
Oh yeah.
But Philly's not here because he's having his bass lesson, so
We're all musical people.
Saturday, Philly.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. We're going to Marks and Spencer's.
we're sassy. See you in a bit. I don't know where we're going next, but yeah.
Guess what? I got told off for wearing shoes.
Guys, we've been reunited again.
We've been reunited again.
Yeah, but I was being
Table and Chloe's
I was
handshake, and I had
mad to her.
that's my purse, by the way. And I had a, what did I have again? A McChicken sandwich. Ruben, what are you?
Alright. See you in a bit. Bye bye.
Okay.
Bye.
We're all hipster here.
Right.
Yeah, I'm hipster. You can tell by my black clothes.
Either Mum or Mark's getting us soon. Mum got confused by my
And
pants.
my skinny jeans.
We just spoke to 2 of my friends.
Black skinny jeans are
I
like
think I live in my Levi black skinny jeans because
both live in black skinny jeans.
my black skinny jeans are my dark. That's all I wear.
Maybe it was my skinny jeans.
I need docs so bad.
And my skinny jeans.
In a minute, these guys are going to their theatre group, and then we're going to watch Lord of the Rings.
And I'm going to work right now.
Load of the rings. We're going to watch it at my house.
Shit. We should not be drinking milkshakes. Why? Guys, don't tell Mum that we've been drinking milkshakes because they'll probably go out.
Why?
Because if we sing,
This is going on the internet, so make sure that your mum doesn't see this.
oh, we won't really know.
Ruben, you
Why
know
can't we
you
have
love me.
milkshake?
You know, you should have
Nice milkshake.
Yeah, sure.
I
Want
love
your own
the
straw?
lady.
That's
I like
Finley.
straws.
I've actually got a picture of you on my Tumblr.
That's the deal.
Again.
No, someone here.
This is so scary.
Turn the camera around.
You need to fold over the edge. You guys
Babe,
are such noobs at
I'm
shooting
thinking of getting the
straws.
the bus.
Now it can't go back on. What are you doing with your life?
Itchy? Oh, wow, that's all sorted out though. Where did it go?
No, you
Me and Blue and landed in the milkshake.
Whose is that?
That's how you should.
Fine.
said
Oh.
that,
Oh,
There you go, happy birthday.
Thank you for putting that there. That's lush.
no, you were like,
I think we should all sing happy birthday to Ruben.
To me? No.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you.
He's not with us.
No, I thought.
it's not coming out.
That's your present from me.
Husband.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Thank you.
That's below them.
They look a bit creepy, I'm gonna be honest.
Literally.
Yeah.
That's terrifying.
Don't touch the hair. It's disgusting. Yep.
I got you this for your birthday.
Oh, thank you. Happy birthday to me.
I've been a bit above with that after.
What is
Are they
this?
going
Oh, wait.
out for a meal tonight or not?
I think.
Takeaway pizza.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Is that what
Billy, you're
John
so
Peter's answer?
crude. Stop. Ew. What vocabulary?
It's just going on the internet.
What's the internet?
Your mum. We've been hanging out for 3 hours today already.
Wow.
That's
I
really
feel like
quick.
we've been hanging out for
And I
longer.
haven't even killed anyone. That's brilliant. New record for me.
Oh, Ellen, you've mixed up the straws now. I don't know which straw.
What have you done? I think that was
God.
I think this is mine.
This one's mine. It's the
Oh, good job.
end of the world.
I think you should throw that at Ellen. No.
Oh, it's no point going to the theatre with. Hi.
I'm Ellen.
I'm gonna go talk
Are
to
they
them.
all back?
You guys have like gone home and we're now watching Lord of the Rings. And Toto. That's not its actual name, but that's what I'm calling it. Is it actually working?
I think it's working. It's saying that I'm Japanese though.
We're doing because we got to watch it in English.
Yeah, I know. It's saying I'm in Japan. We're not in Japan. I
We
swear
could
we're not in
be.
Japan.
I don't know. Are we in Japan or are we not?
I think it's working.
Wait for the do 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 do. It's got to have that
It's
little.
gotta have that.
It's got to have that. To know it's working. To see a
Oh,
reflection of you like dancing in it.
Can you? Oh no. I'm like a dancer.
I don't know how to answer that question.
Let's
Keep you
click play.
singing.
See what that does.
What's happening?
I think I broke it. Anyway.
No, not Lord of the Rings. What's this?
This is my little sister.
Hello.
Hey.
Loads and loads of sweets. Who wants a bag of dust?
Oh my gosh, there's so many sweets.
Lovely drawing.
I know.
Is it? What's happening? Where is my Lord of the Rings?
What have I actually got
I don't know.
Yum.
We can't
Go.
get the dog off the sofa.
Leave, please. We just go. Taylor, I love you, but you do need to get off the sofa. I'm sorry. Go. No. Please, we're just gonna
Doesn't
watch Lord
work
of the
like
Rings.
that.
That's all we want to do. Please, just go. Go this way.
I can't
you don't-
even.
No. This isn't working for me.
Just a flash of
Are you
what?
just gonna just stand here?
He looks like he's smiling.
Go. Stop taking the mic.
Oh,
Ooh, yeah. Did you hear that flash of
oh,
lightning?
that's so cute.
Okay, you've got to go. Go. Just. He still thinks he won.
I don't quite know about
I think he does. Look at him. He's smiling.
He's
still
like,
like.
Look at me. Like me and Callum's well fit.
Aw. Is that dude just picked up the ring? I missed it.
Yeah, it's Frodo. He picked up the ring. Okay, right. We're gonna have to stop vlogging now because it's an important bit. Yeah, Christmas.
I'm Mini Mo Kid.
Yeah, emo kid, and I'm just here like Santa. I am like Mrs. Santa Claus. And
What
I'm-
if Jess is actually Santa? That is my question to know.
There's people singing. This is Joe. This is our friend Joe
kid in
singing.
red.
The kid in red.
Yeah, that's Joe.
I can't clap. Oh, look at him laughing. So sweet.
Why is no one else clapping?
No. Well, they actually sound pretty good. I love this song. Aw, Joe's so sweet.
I love a Joe.
I love a bit of Joe, you know.
We should take Joe home.
Joe could be one of the 3 million children.
They don't know about that. Don't
We're
tell them
actually married and we have 3 million children,
Yeah.
as told by MASH.
Mash. I don't know the words. You know we're the only ones dancing, right?
I know, look at us go!
Oh,
I'm like the only, excited person here.
I'm so emo. My heart is blacker than my hair.
Your hair?
My hair.
Say, your hair is
Yeah, my hair is.
your hat. They should have went.
My hat. It could just be like your hair.
So many people here. Look at me.
I'm not a good vlogger. She's a white girl. She vlogs. I bet it's a failure. It's someone who's failed. It's someone who's failed.
Who's that?
I don't know. It's a human, I think.
Apparently a celebrity.
Make some noise for Lowestoft's most famous
Oh wow.
Funny, whatever you do not press that.
It laughed his head fell off.
Lowestoft, one more time for the beach bunny.
This is the first OK tune.
First of all, timing is everything, right? Okay. We want a photo for the website, so we want everybody in the arms in the air, and we want after three to shout a bit. So you ready? 1, 2, 3, beach!
Everyone's just like 6 minutes to think about.
It was a flash on. No red eye, no red eye.
Oh
Right,
no!
who's special guests?
No.
Justin
Well, let's be honest, we
Bieber!
can't
Stop being
have
so depressing!
Dead people.
He's all the way
You just laughed at that.
from Lowestoft. Give it up for
Cheers.
Father Christmas!
It's like you should
Hi,
stand.
hi, hi.
You know,
Hi, hi, hi.
Oh my god, there's children in the way!
demons as slaves instead of elves, and if you were naughty, the demons would take you away to his cave and use them as sex
No,
toys.
I see Father Christmas. I was
Stop it.
very good boy this year. You've got some places in there. Do you want to quickly just see? We don't need a number, man, do we?
That's why Santa Claus is
On stage.
No, that's not it. Have you been a good girl and have you done my shopping?
Yes, I have.
You have, good girl. Did you remember to get my chips?
And transvestite.
Yes, chips.
Transvestite.
Transvestite.
Oh, yeah, it's Snow White and this is transvestite.
It's raining.
It should snow instead.
Yeah.
Why aren't you snowing? Look.
Why are you not snowing, Mr. Sky?
I think if I get so many amount of likes, it will start snowing.
yeah, yeah.
If you subscribe to me, it will start snowing.
You bet.
Christmas
You're
shopping
right.
yet? Alright, keep it handy.
What's that?
If you've done all the
I just
Christmas
want to
shopping-
see the lights and the snow and the
There's no snow.
and the non-transvestite dwarves.
Well, Snow White's a transvestite.
Yeah, and so is
Transvestite.
dwarves are on drugs.
Switch. Lowestoft, are you ready to see some Christmas lights? That's not loud enough. Are you ready to see some Christmas lights? Mikey, let's do it. So Lowestoft,
so dramatic.
we're going to do a countdown from 10, and when we get to 1, we want everybody to shout Merry Christmas, okay? On a big screen, alright? Can you do that? Should we do a bit of practice? Can we do a nice Merry Christmas?
You know the lights? The buttons
And
are
who's going to count? Can we all count? Yeah?
Look at
Can we
that.
count backwards?
That's so scary. That's so scary. Don't say that.
Get ready, lads. Start counting down. As we switch on, Christmas lights here.
Hex, you're gonna run out back.
For the beach. And
of human beings.
No. If I'd gone
Yeah,
over
but you
there,
witnessed it, so you'd just be some.
I'd just be a witness. And I went over there and made sure the year sevens were okay. All I did was like, I didn't
Oh,
get
I
involved
got a
with the
Santa hat. I think we already talked about that earlier.
Yeah, you did.
I did. That's when we were
I
like
don't
raving.
have my hat. I'm sorry.
That's when I was
Where's your
getting
hat?
drunk.
It's upstairs.
Upstairs
In my room. Where we're not
in
allowed.
his room.
Because my mum doesn't want us trashing my room. Because it's quite a small room.
It's not that small.
It's quite small for 4 people.
That was really hot.
I bet.
Thank you, internet, for looking at my.
Ruben's heart when he met me.
That was my heart. Okay.
Because I'm fat.
Are you sure it was
That
me?
is my simple request. All things fabulous.
Oh my gosh, there was these Christmas songs on, and like he was like, who even knows the words of these songs? I was just singing along to all of them.
What song was it?
I need a
All these
little fabulous. Is that so wrong?
Christmas songs.
I can't remember.
Christmas time.
It's Christmas.
Mistletoe and wine.
Children singing Christmas
That'd be like a good thing to use, like.
with logs on the fire.
That's Vinny's middle finger. He hates the internet. No, he doesn't really. Who
I
hates
love
the
the
internet?
I live on the internet.
Oh, my foot! Smacked my foot.
Ovis, kiss it better. Kiss it better.
Hovid, no, by the way, he's not talking to like a pile of bread
Oh,
or
no,
something.
Oh,
He's,
wow,
talking,
that's scary.
he's talking to his dog. A pile of bread. He's not talking to a pile of bread.
You can talk to piles of bread.
A pile-
Is it weird to talk to piles of bread?
I don't know. Why would you call it a pile of bread? Why would I call it a pile of
You
bread?
call it a
A
loaf of
loaf
bread.
A loaf. A loaf,
But
not
what
a
if
pile.
you've got 2
A
loaves
loaf.
and then you split
just
them
had
up and then you
cake.
put them into
A
one
loaf.
large
I
pile?
just ate the icing because
Illuminati equals Olaf.
I get told
What
on it.
if
A loaf.
every
Olaf.
I have the Illuminati on my
Every-
ruler.
Disney fan
Illuminati
hates you.
Olaf.
That's
Same
not-
thing.
I have the Illuminati on my ruler. They drew it on there.
I do
I have
everything.
swear words written on my ruler.
We're doing this.
It's not my
something
ruler.
We're doing this.
I've had it for like 2 years though, so it's
We're
mine
doing
now.
this
21.
presentation.
Hey everyone, we're in the tea room and it's absolutely freezing, but look at this view. So beautiful. I don't think you can see it properly actually. But you can see like the weird spinny thing and then so many lights and oh I can't see the view.
You mean windmill?
Windmill. That's not windmill.
It's
not windmill.
turbine. There's a turbine. The big white
Oh,
thing.
yeah, it's not
that's in
windmill.
sand. It's a turbine.
The tea room is so sweet. No, don't leave me alone in here. Don't leave me alone in here. It's so scary. It's a creepy rocking horse. I don't like it. It's cold in there. She just followed them all to the toilet. Jeez, guys. So scary. Did you have fun? Hey, I don't want to be left alone in the scary room with the scary.
Turn right and then turn left. Yeah. And then turn like this. Is it? And then yes. Mum said she didn't want people up there.
Sorry, I don't want to be alone. I'm not coming on my own.
Finley, and I'm coming down
No,
anyway.
Finley's not coming
Can
in.
you just come down when you're done?
I'm so scared.
Finley, do you want to quickly come and see my room? Quickly. Like 5 seconds.
I'm not being on my own. So fabulous.
What you playing with those?
Sorry?
Because you know I'm...
Yeah. Both of them.
Do they got water?
Yeah, they do.
Who made that?
Jazz.
Of course.
Of course you did.
I've got another one by Jazz in my bag.
Stop making me vlog.
He will
Dark
get.
side was typing.
You look like you have. You look like you have a claw.
Really?
What?
Oh, something's just come up.
No, don't use you
Yes,
can. It sucks.
Please.
What the hell?
What
I
have you
just-
done?
What the hell?
Close,
The noise you just made.
close it. That's
What are you doing?
use the visual effects. They're fun.
They're fun.
Are you videoing me?
What the hell?
But I'm trapped in between you and Finley.
What's Finley?
Excuse me.
Finley, you look so hot.
You look so perfect standing there in my American Apparel underwear. And I know now that I'm so
I
down.
thought it was sold out.
Your lipstick stain is a work of art. I got a name tattooed in an arrow
On my
heart.
bum.
In an arrow heart! Silly girl. Arrow heart. I hate that band. Trust me. I haven't even listened to that song. What even is that song?
Oh no.
What have you keep on breaking stuff. Don't sing. I'm not singing. No singing in my house.
You sound like exactly like PewDiePie. So
Booty.
fabulous.
I'm not PewDiePie, I'm Booty Pie.
So
'cause
fabulous.
everyone thinks my ass is sweet.
Did you sit in a pile of sugar because you have a sweet butt? Oh, it's too so sweet.
You're filming my house and it makes me feel uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable. Don't film my house. My house is bad. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Okay guys, so I had a lovely day with the guys today. I hope you enjoyed watching my first ever vlog on this channel. I will be uploading videos on my main channel soon, but not quite yet. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really tired now, so I'm literally gonna take off my makeup and go to bed because it's like only 10:30, but still, you know, I'm tired. So, oh, step on my foot. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Probably, I don't know. Depends if you like this one or not, but I'll see you guys later.